Fred Williams, XL Prime. This one, sum all inventory by company by month, is going to require, I think it's just the niftiest combination there is, and that's the end of month. We're going to have a beginning of the month. We have to define the end of the month in order to sum this, whatever we're trying to sum, the inventory. Here, we're going to use SUMIFS. What's SUMIFS? It sums numbers that meet multiple criteria. What's our criteria? We're going to have inventory. That's going to be 1. We have to find the month. We have to define a start date and an end date. And that's the criteria. Here we have some range. So we're going to have to find inventory. And our criteria 1, company. We have to find the Fords. And what's its criteria? F5. So look at F5 is going to be Ford. Here we have the reporting date. Date, again, the name ranges are here. And we have reporting date greater than or equal to G4. What's G4? That's going to be March. So we have greater than or equal to G4. What is the criteria? G4, greater than or equal to G4. And then reporting date 9/4, less than or equal to end of the month, G4. And there's our criteria. Looking at this from the internals, greater than or equal to G4 equals. We're looking here and notice that we can sneak away in here if this is valid date. In another tutorial, you're going to be able to use just March, and then this could just be identified as March. Here, if this is a text, it won't work. For example, if I just put in MAR, we're not going to get an output. F9, even though we have Ford, we don't have a date. We don't have a date here. We just have March. We have to make sure this is a valid date. And then F9, let's see, right off the bat, we have a nice setup here. Here we have inventory, again, some range. Some, we're going to look at inventory 94. The criteria range, as I said, we're looking at company, Ford, and then here, F5, and then this stuff right here. And there's no way to see the internals here. This is just a matter of defining your criteria and making sure your data entry is correct. Other than that, pretty simple. Here, we just copied it right, and then May. Over here, very short narrative. The key thing here is the date. It has to be a valid date. In addition, you might want to be in this MMM format here. That's what this is. So if you want to do that, hit Control-1, and then notice under number we have custom, and we put this in MMM format. So keep it as simple as possible. Put it in MM format, and you're good to go. Fred Williams, XL Prime. Thanks for watching.